Another morning in the kitchen, and here comes the breakfast bunch, ready to start the day with energy.
Good morning, everyone. Did you know bananas are the world's most popular fruit? Over 100 billion are eaten every year.
That's great, Benny. But breakfast isn't just about popularity. It's about balance. A mix of energy, protein, and fun keeps us going. You see, starting your day with a balanced meal helps you stay focused and energized. It's not just about grabbing the most popular item. It's about choosing what's best for your body. So let's make sure we include a variety of foods that give us the nutrients we need to thrive throughout the day.
And don't forget protein, I'm packed with it. Scrambled, boiled, or sunny side up, I'm the star of the show.
Star of the show? Ha! Nothing beats a drizzle of sweetness to brighten the day. Syrup Sam here, ready to add that perfect touch of joy to your breakfast. Whether it's a stack of fluffy pancakes, a crispy waffle, or a warm bowl of oatmeal, a little syrup goes a long way in making your morning special. Pancakes, waffles, oatmeal, everyone loves me. I bring smiles to breakfast tables everywhere, just a drizzle, and suddenly, your meal is transformed into a delightful treat.
Easy there, Sam. A little sweetness is fine, but too much, and you'll crash before lunch. Remember, balance is key. Enjoy the sweetness, but don't overdo it. A balanced breakfast keeps you energized and ready for the day ahead.
Whoa, let's not argue. How about we show the kids how to make a balanced breakfast bowl? We can all shine.
Fine, but only if I get to go first. I've been waiting for this moment, and I'm ready to show everyone how it's done.
All right, Eggbert, start us off. We're all excited to see what you've got in store for us.
First, add a scrambled egg for protein. Protein is essential for building muscles and keeping you strong throughout the day. It's like the foundation of our breakfast bowl.
Next, some sliced bananas for natural sweetness and energy. Bananas are packed with potassium, which helps keep your heart healthy and your muscles working properly. Plus, they add a delicious flavor that everyone loves.
Top it with granola for crunch and fiber. Granola not only adds a satisfying crunch but also provides fiber that aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. It's the perfect way to add some texture to our bowl.
And just a tiny drizzle of syrup for a touch of fun. A little bit of sweetness can make our breakfast bowl even more enjoyable. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Now that's what I call teamwork. A breakfast bowl that's balanced, tasty, and easy to make. Each ingredient plays its part, contributing to a nutritious and delicious meal that's perfect for starting your day right.
And there you have it, kids. A breakfast that powers your day and keeps you smiling. Remember, eating a balanced breakfast helps you stay focused and energized, whether you're at school, playing sports, or just having fun with friends.
Remember, every ingredient has its place. Balance is the key. By including a variety of foods, you're making sure your body gets all the nutrients it needs to stay healthy and strong. So, always aim for a balanced meal and you'll be ready to take on the day.